Ay, try out na mamaya.
Parang baklata yun.
Ay, try out na mamaya. Kapag handa na nga.
Ay, pre, saan ka pupunta?
Try out niya.
Ang itim-itim mong yan, pag-try out ka doon. Alam mo ba, tatanggapin ka doon ng coach?
Hindi ka naman niya. Hindi na ako mag-try out.
We should never judge or discriminate against others based their skin colors and appearance. Everyone deserves respect and equal opportunity to show their talents and abilities. True worth is not measured by someone's looks, but by determination, effort, and heart.
Uy, pre, alam mo ba yung isa nating kaklase? Parang baklata yun ah.
Oo nga, ito nga yung Facebook niya, o bakla.
Uy, pre, di ba yun yung sinasabi natin na bakla?
Oo pre, yan yung bakla.
We should learn to treat others with kindness, no matter who they are. Bullying only shows weakness, while respect shows true strength. Accepting others for who they are helps build peace and friendship. Always choose compassion over judgment, because everyone deserves to be valued.
Let's put an end to gender inequality. Because whether you are a man or a woman, gay or lesbian, we are all equal. It's time to stop discrimination. Let's end judging people. We have to work together